Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. In the previous session we have seen singular and non-singular matrix. Okay, now we are going to see adjoint of a matrix. So all these concepts are concerned with inverse of a matrix. So we are proceeding towards inverse of a matrix. For that we need one more concept, adjoint of a matrix. Okay, what is adjoint of a matrix? The adjoint of a square matrix A is defined as the transpose of cofactor matrix. So we have already know how to find out a cofactor matrix, and the cofactor transpose of the cofactor matrix is going to be the adjoint. So it's very simple. Adjoint A is equal to cofactor matrix, transpose of cofactor matrix, where Aij is the cofactor matrix of A. Okay. Now this concept we are going to see with the example 1.12 and 1.13. Here you have got a 2 cross 2 matrix, and here you have got a 3 cross 3 matrix. So first we will see it with a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so for that we have to write the cofactor of A, isn't it? So for cofactor of A, what will you do? For the first element, you will simply strike out this and strike out this, and you will write it as, for the first element it is 4, that is the minor. Then coming to the second element, you will cross out for 3 this, and your cofactor is 1. Now coming to the second row, first element 1, again you are crossing out the first row and the second column, you get it as 3. Now for the last element of the 2 cross 2 matrix 4, strike out column 2 and row 2, you get it as 2. Okay, this is the cofactor matrix. Okay, now this is Aij, but here what is remaining? You have got the sign. For the 2 cross 2 matrix, we know it is, already I have defined for 2 cross 2 matrix, it is plus, minus, minus, plus. So this is plus, this is minus, again this is minus, and this is plus. Now this is the completed cofactor matrix of A. Now for this we are going to take the transpose. Okay, transpose of this matrix. What is a transpose? You have to write the column as rows or the rows as column. Now we will take the first row. So you are going to write the transpose matrix. So first row 4 minus 1. So it is going to become as column 4 minus 1. Now taking the second row, it is going to become as minus 3, 2. So this is the adjoint A. Okay, this is the final answer. Otherwise, a more easy step what you can do is, you can just interchange these two elements and just put a minus sign for this elements in the next diagonal. Okay, this is the easiest method to find for a 2 cross 2 matrix. Only for a 2 cross matrix you can do this method. Okay, now we shall go to 3 cross 3 matrix. Here I have taken example 1.3, 3 cross 3 matrix. For that we need to find first the cofactor matrix, isn't it, of A. So for that we have got 3 rows and 3 columns. So one by one we are going to write the cofactor. I have cofactor is nothing but the signed minor, isn't it? I have written that formula here. This is the general formula. So we are going to find out one by one. First 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So first we are going to M11. When you take M11, it is nothing but the first element in the first row. So you are going to cancel out this and cancel out this. So you are getting 1, isn't it? So now you put this as 1, you take it as 1, 0, 1, 0 equal to 0 into 0. It is going to be 0. Okay. And for this the sign is plus, so nothing to worry. So you are going to get it as 0. Now for the second one, you are going to take the second element of the first row. So it is going to be this column and this row. So your determinant is going to be 0, 0, minus 4 and 0. Again your answer is going to be 0 because you are multiplying by 0. Okay. Now coming to A, third element of the first row, you are going to cancel out the third column and the first row. You get the determinant as 0, 1, minus 4, 1. This is going to be 0 minus of minus 4. That is going to be plus 4. Okay, this is your answer. So you got the first row cofactor of the A11, A12 and A13. Now coming to A21, you're going to go to the second row. In the second row, first element, so you're going to cross out the second row and the first column. So you get the minor as -2, -3, 1 and 0. So your answer is going to be 0. And here sign, you have to see the sign also. Here it is minus, since it is 0 I have ignored the minus sign. Here it becomes plus. Here again we are going to get, it is an odd number, 2 plus 1, so you are going to get a minus. So minus outside, put a minus outside, then you get this is 0. Minus of -3 is going to be +3. So when you take that minus inside, it's going to be -3. So though for 2, 1, your answer is -3. Okay. Now coming to A22, your determinant is going to be second element of the second row. So again you cancel the second row and the second column. You get it as 1, -3, 4. Sorry, it is -4, isn't it? -4 and 0. So when you expand this, you get 0 minus of minus into minus plus 12. So that is going to give you -12, and here it is even number, so it is plus, this remains as -12. Now coming to third element of the second row, third column and the second row, you get the determinant as 1, -2, -1, 1. Okay, second element, what is that? 2, last element, isn't it? 2, 3. You get 1, -2 and -4, 1. So this is going to be, here 2 plus 3, it is odd number, so you are going to get a minus sign. So put a minus here, and when you multiply you will get, so I'll write it down, -1 minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 1 minus 8 is -7, and here you got a minus and here you got a minus, so minus into minus plus, so it is +7. Okay, so underline these answers, it will be easy for you to write the cofactor matrix. Now coming to the third row, first element, so first column and the last row you are going to cancel it out, and your determinant is going to be A31, -2, -3, 1, 0, and here it is even, so you don't get a sign, so it is going to be, this is becoming 0 minus of -3, that is going to be 3. So your answer is 3. Now coming to second element of the last row, so again you are going to cancel out the second column and the last row, and your determinant is going to be 1, -3, 0, 0, and here it is odd power, so you will get a minus, and both are zeros, so it is going to be 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Minus doesn't matter for 0. Okay, and next coming to A33, the last element in the last column, so you are going to cancel out the last row and the last column, and now your determinant is going to be 1, -2, 0, 1, and here it is 3 plus 3, 6, so you get a plus sign, and your answer when you multiply it is 1 minus of -0. Okay, so it is going to be, your answer is going to be 1. Now we are going to write the cofactor matrix. What are they? 0, 0, 4. Then in the second row it is -3, -12 and 7. Third row it is 3, 0 and 1. So here Aij I am going to write Aij as first row 0, 0, 4, and the second row it is -3, -12 and 7, and third row it is 3, 0, 1. So this is Aij. Now we have to take the cofactor of this Aij. What is the cofactor of Aij? It's nothing but we are going to convert the row into column. Okay, so first row I will write it as 0, 0, 4. Second row -3, -12, 7. This is the second row. Then next third row 3, 0, 1. This is going to be your adjoint A. So we have found out the adjoint A for the 3 cross 3 matrix A. Okay, thank you.